Hello everyone, welcome back to Dance's English Grammar. So, what is this action called? Do you say he's frying? If you are saying so, I'm sorry, it's wrong. You are not supposed to say he's frying. So, this action is actually not frying, but it's called as saute. Saute. So, let's look into the etymology and the meaning of this word saute. The meaning of saute is to fry briefly over high heat. You just fry for some time over high heat. The origin is French. It's borrowed from the French word. It literally means to jump. Say for example, when the diced carrots jump in the pan when it comes in contact with the oil due to heat. You pour oil, you put the diced carrots into the pan. Now there is that jumping, you can see that slight jump. So it actually means to jump. So let's look into the usage. Example, he asked to saute the vegetables. He asked me to saute the vegetables. I hope you have understood. Thank you.